Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, even in my prior videos I have said that scammers are becoming advanced. They are coming with very highly innovative ways to deceive honest people like you and me. Now see the screenshot of an email somebody got. How legitimate it looks like. It looks very legitimate, right? If you see the font, color, background, anything that appears in this email looks absolutely stunning and original, but it's a scam. Bell Canada Mobility is not gonna refund your money like this. Even if there is a additional payment, like if let's say your monthly bill is 50, you made a payment of 60, that is gonna be adjusted in future transactions, right? And in the worst case, what's go like, and if you made a purchase and then you return it, it will be like they will return it back to you using the original payment method, like maybe your credit card, right? This is not how they're gonna refund you money. And see the amount, 8460.45 cat. Oh my god, I'm getting a shock. This is a real scam and it is circulating, and I'm really worried how many people are gonna fall victim to this. So please share this and save everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.